Hwaini wa muthenya wa Jumaa, handu haretwo macokani mwena wa Matunguru barabara-ini ya guthie Koma, nikuo gicanjama kia maabitha a borithi kurathukaniria micingana ekinaĩ kiratumukire na gucungiriria umwe wa ekinaĩ aya kuhurwo rithathi na gukua.
Tulikuwa tunafanya shughuli zetu za kawaida za maisha, na tukasikia milio ya risasi imeanza kulia kutoka tukiwa hapa karibu, na tukikuja hapa tukapata watu wanabishana askari na hao watu walikuwa hapa, tumeambiwa ni wezi.
Police officers were acting on actionable intelligence following some notorious criminals operating within this area. And on reaching this point, the criminals who are on a motor vehicle, a Toyota Harrier, they tried to intercept them. However, they resisted. A gunfight ensued between the officers and the thugs, resulting to fatality of one of the thugs.
Gari ino nio mwĩki na yoyo uria ukoretwa akitanwo nake thutha wa gutunya abitha wa AP mucinga wake mwena wa Mrorongo mwaka muthiru marakuanite na murunawe uria urahotire gwithana na nguraro cia rithathi.
K47 was lobbed off from one of an administration police officer sometimes last year, November, within Mafoko SMP. One of the gangsters escaped with gunshot wounds, and we are appealing to members of public, anyone who appears either within the clinics or seeking shelter, to report to any police station.
Hamwe na mucinga indo igiri irahithukirio ni borithi kuma kuri ekinaĩ aya nĩ ngobia cia kuhitha mothio na thimu cia moko o hamwe na toci.
I am in receipt of information that the criminal has escaped through Ndovoini to Joska. He is already handcuffed, and the worst enough is a local of within the area where this scene happened. So I want to ask of our people, in case you come across somebody who is handcuffed by the name Charlo, he happens to come from around, can you maybe rush to the nearest police station and maybe you make sure you report this, because these guys have been on the run.
Borithi magithie na mbere kuhitana na mwĩkũĩrwo uyu uretharire na nguraro. Mwĩrĩ wa mwĩkũĩrwo uyu uroragirwo utwaritwo mocarĩ-inĩ ya thibitari wa Matungulu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.